In every aspect of your life, some sort of AI system is probably helping to analyze data and arrive at a decision about something relevant to your life.
AI is definitely very transformative. We know that it's going to change the way we do work, and we want our students to be ready for that. We heard that companies are encouraging you to use an AI because it's going to be helping them to better results. So we use AI tools in the classes that we do for the assignments, but it's true that you need to learn, right? We want our students to be very aware that AI can help us, but during the learning process, we still have to maintain the critical thinking and use it as a tool. We do this to make sure that we're providing all the tools they need in order to join their workforce.
Using AI to enhance your skill is something that is benefit to my skills and my resume. You don't want it to use it in a way that replaces your own thinking, but if you use it in a way that allows you to enhance your thinking, it allows me to think about solving this in, let's say, another way. That kind of approach allows you to operate in a better manner that you were able to do like before the advent of AI.
In terms of how I use AI in my own job, it is just unbelievable how impactful it is for pen testing. I've only had this for about a year and I can't imagine doing my job without it. I've wrote code snippets that would have taken me multiple hours to do by hand in like 5 minutes. It is unbelievable how large of a force multiplier it is. You should know how to use it before applying to roles.
I definitely am all for the use of AI. I definitely use it for studying, so I have it create like flashcards and like sample exams based off questions I think that they might ask, just like a testing buddy, if you will. Use it as a tool. It's so intertwined with computer science.
For any job, you still have to understand what should be done, right? So a human still has to figure out like here's what we could do, here's what we would do, what should you do, right? That will always be the dominion of the human, right? And so I think that the key thing is to use the tools, leverage them, be one with them. But the question is like, in what way? What works for your workflow? How are you going to pick up that tool and absorb it into whatever you do in your day-to-day?
How do you incorporate the new generative AI like a chatbot or a ChatGPT? It's to make yourselves more efficient in your work. How do you create business value? Companies need to think about additional ways to generate new money, not just cost savings. So how do you actually create new products or gain new market share? You need people to verify and validate the code, but also think of new ways to use it, right?
The AI is a multiplier of what you have. Companies and organizations want you to actually bring your skills to the table, not only to use AI, you have to bring something else. We know that we have students with a great potential. We know that they're hard workers, they like what they're doing, they're smart. Our students are here because they want to find a great job, they want to be good professionals at the end.
Technologies are ways for us actually to live out our values, and that's a lesson that runs throughout the program here.